to win it. Steph on the sideline at 7, at 5, at 4. Curry to win. Good! Good! 1:10 left. He did it again. Steph Curry plays beat the clock against the Mavericks one more time with 1/10 of a second left. The jumper left wing is perfect. Steph and Clay go for 50. And the Warriors are going to beat Dallas for the 3rd time in 4 tries. With 1/10 of a second left, the ball can only be tapped